Why is Jordyn calling Kylie and Timothee's relationship fake? That their relationship is nothing but a publicity stunt? Jordyn Woods knows the truth and she's ready to spill it all. But is it an attempt to get back at Kylie for her betrayal? Let's find out.
And if I have to take action on that, I will. And it's not going to slide for too long. I told you. So keep it up. And don't make me make it public, because I will. And I'm not playing at all.
Kylie's relationships have always been a subject of public discussion for all the wrong reasons. Remember when she and Tyga raised eyebrows with their questionable relationship? She was just 16. And the fact that he was her sister's friend? Yikes. Even the situation with Travis wasn't all that clean. There were talks that she was only with him for what she could get in return. And now that Travis has made her popular with Black culture and the hip-hop community, Kylie might be turning her interest to Hollywood. And as usual, her biggest ticket to benefiting from any part of the entertainment industry is who she dates. Now, there is a long list of men who are more than willing to date Kylie. She is beautiful and all, but the makeup mogul has inherited Kim and Kris's calculative attitude to life. To them, everything is business. So you can see why people were suspicious when the news of Kylie dating actor Timothée Chalamet came out on TikTok. One fan tweets, "Ignoring the Timothée Chalamet and Kylie dating rumors, because I know a Kris Jenner PR stunt when I see one." But things took a new turn when people started speculating that Kylie and Timothy had ended things.
Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet have allegedly split after 7 months of dating. Can you split if you weren't actually dating? Like, I know we got those photos that one day, but I'm sorry, I've never bought this. And according to the source, Kylie is the one that got dumped by Timothy. A source told Life and Style she's telling people that things between them naturally fizzled out because they're both busy and traveling. But friends are whispering that Kylie got dumped. Kylie's playing it casual, but her friends know this must sting. Timothy was the first guy she really spent time with after splitting with Travis Scott. She even introduced him to her family. Yeah, I think Kylie will be alright. Sorry, but if you are in an exclusive relationship for 7 months and you just say that things fizzled out, that's like something you would say after you go on like 2 to 3 dates and it just fizzled out.
Obviously, Kylie wasn't happy about the news, and this might have forced Kylie to become more public with her affair with Timothy. Kylie doesn't like the idea that people think that she was dumped, especially after Travis left her for SPILLS without looking back. Now, to squash the breakup rumor, Kylie decided that people had to see them together in public. Keep in mind that these two are believed to have been dating for more than 7 months, and not once did they mention it on their social media. No photos, no posts, and yet we all sensed something brewing. The math really isn't mathing. Not only that, she might have tried to use her recent picture on Instagram to push some kind of narrative that she and Timothy were together on a picnic. But it turned out that it was actually her close friend Victoria who took the photo, since she also shared a similar picture of herself in the exact location. To make matters worse, the number of articles that have been published about this couple is a little too much, and within the space of, what, 3 months? Come on, this just isn't adding up. But when a prominent publication like Vogue calls your relationship fake, just know it's game over. So the thing is, Vogue finally caught up with the latest on the Jenners. Just like everyone else, they finally decided to pay fleeting attention to Kylie and Timothy's relationship. And to them, it is not the real deal. The article title was actually quite interesting. It says, "Are Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet in love?" For real? The part of the article says something like, "It's hard for me not to assume that this particularly buzzy new romance is at least a little bit Kris Jenner orchestrated."
Vogue! I cannot believe this is a real article. Are Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet in love? For real. Even Vogue doesn't believe that sham of a relationship. Okay, I'll be honest. I've learned to view every new relationship that emerges from the Kardashian-Jenner media monolith with a grain or a heaping pour of salt. Ooh, they already going in! Sure, there are the occasional bonds that seem real as hell, like Kourtney and Travis, K and T forever. I'm a bit unabashed stan, but it's hard for me to not assume that any particular buzzy new romance is at least a little bit Kris Jenner orchestrated. This, of course, brings us to Kylie and Timothy, who in my humble opinion have fallen into the just shy of believable category ever since they allegedly started dating sometime back in April. But I just don't entirely buy it, even now that there are breakup rumors that truly make a celebrity relationship official have begun to swirl. It's not that I'm saying Jenner and Chalamet couldn't genuinely like or even love each other, but I'm stuck on the details. What do they do together? Does he hold her makeup brushes while she contours? Does she help him sift through Wes Anderson scripts? Does he give Stormi French lessons? And how did they even end up together? Valid questions. I personally don't believe it either, but it's not really our business.
Look, the entertainment industry knows these guys well, and they know Kylie and Timothee's relationship isn't giving. Vogue faced heavy backlash for the article, and it was ultimately taken down. Nice one, Kris Jenner. But then again, maybe they just wanted to keep sneaking around or something. However, we do know that Kylie dating Timothée will do wonders for Kylie's reputation. We might just see Kylie more in Hollywood, maybe in Dune 3. So you see why it is hard not to agree with this fan who said, Timothée is a respected Oscar-nominated actor. Kylie just wants to be part of that circle. On the other hand, we can't exactly say the same for Timothée. His reputation might actually be on the line. Typical Kardashian-Jenner behavior, always dating men they can benefit from, using them for more fame while giving nothing in return. Ray J is almost a nobody, and Kim is at the top of the entertainment food chain. Either way, Mama Kris and the entire family are happy about this relationship. Kendall and Timothée are even good friends and have hung out in the same circle several times. The family also thinks Timothée is good for her, and she looks happy hanging out with him. Apparently, the two have gotten really close. They were together at Coachella, and her luxurious black car was even spotted parked outside of Timothée's home several times. They reportedly also had dinner multiple times with their close relatives. Another reason Kylie's family might like Timothée is that he has no problem with Kylie being a mom. Sources close to the family say that is one reason he likes Kylie. But if Timothée knows what's good for him, he might actually want to watch his step with the Kardashian family and not become a victim of the Kardashian family curse, which will lead to his career wasting away and cause his possible attempt to use his relationship with Kylie as a PR stunt for his upcoming Wonka movie to fail badly. People think that Kylie was tired of news outlets spinning stories that Timothée was using her for PR or privately dumping her, so she ran to her mama for help.
Timothée Chalamet did not dump Kylie Jenner. I'm joking on the Kris Jenner part, maybe, but apparently Kylie and Timothée are still a thing despite split reports. TMZ is saying they spoke to multiple sources. You can take a guess on who those would be, and it couldn't be furthest from the truth that Kylie was dumped by Timothée. These sources are telling TMZ that just because Kylie and the Wonka star haven't been seen together in public doesn't mean they've split. Our sources say everything is cool between the two, there's still an item, and any reports that say otherwise are false. So on one hand, these sources need us to know. They want us to know that these two are actually still together.
Clearly, all attempts to keep their relationship private have been laid to rest after the two were spotted at Beyoncé's concert in Los Angeles kissing, hugging, and holding hands. The two were seen in the VIP section with other members of the Kardashian and celebrities like Justin and Hailey Bieber, Lori Harvey, and Zendaya. Clearly, Timothée could barely keep his hands off her, and as expected, social media opinions have been flying around. One fan says, Timothée and Kylie is probably the worst pairing I've seen in life. Another interesting part of their relationship is how Kylie's baby daddy, Travis Scott, is taking it. Inside sources are saying he might be speaking to his people about it. Not necessarily because he is jealous, since it looks like his thing with SZA might be going strong, but he is worried if Kylie is being a responsible mom and wants to know if Timothée is someone he would like to be around his kids. But whatever reason these two have decided to be together, it is pretty obvious it has little to do with love. The amount of attention they have gotten from news outlets for a supposed relationship that is meant to be private is ridiculous, and now that we have actually seen them together, you kind of want to believe that it is all a PR stunt. After all, Hollywood is filled with all of such nonsense, and the Kardashian-Jenner clan is deep into that stuff. So what do y'all think? Is Kylie using Timothée for fame? How long before Kylie and Timothée break up? Tell us in the comment below. For the latest pop culture news, subscribe to PopPlug, and for exclusive tea about your favorite pop star, watch this next video.